Hello everyone, welcome to TNM Imagination channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do Philadelphia roll, which is we're gonna use smoked salmon and Philadelphia cream cheese. Some people use imitation crab. Whatever you prefer to do, you can use it. But today I'm gonna use smoked salmon. Smoked salmon and cream cheese is delicious. Try it if you don't believe. Let's start it. I'm gonna show you how to cut the smoked salmon. Today I'm gonna show you Philadelphia roll. Also I'm gonna show you how to do the nigiri. Alright, let's start it. This is smoked salmon. Really good smoked salmon. This is how it looks like. Alright, we're gonna cut it. So when you cut it for nigiri, you're gonna use your finger to measure how big you want it. I got big fingers, so I'm gonna use my forefinger to cut it. And this we're gonna use for nigiri. And this we're gonna use for rolls. This is gonna be for roll. Alright, so to cut nigiri, I'm gonna slice this way. You don't need to do too thick. Doesn't have to be too thin either. Alright, in Philadelphia roll, we're going to use avocado, we're going to use cream cheese, and smoked salmon. Alright, let's cut avocado first. Cut it in the quarter. We're going to cut cream cheese. Cream cheese. All right. Let's roll. All right. So we're gonna grab rice. All right. Let's do it. So we don't need too much rice. This is about tennis ball size. We're gonna spread the rice. Gently, and I'm going to put sesame seed, and then we're going to flip it, so we're going to leave about 1 inch over here. When we roll it, it will be a lot easier. Smoked salmon and cream cheese, and avocados, and we just have to wrap it up. One, you just press a little bit, give pressure a little bit, and one more, and you just press a little bit. You don't need to squeeze it very tight. You just press this a little bit. So this is how it's going to turn out. That's how it's turning out. So we got smoked salmon with cream cheese. We call it Philadelphia roll. All right, I'm gonna show you how to cut it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna wipe the knife and then okay, this is how it's gonna look like. Right now I'm gonna show you how to do nigiri. Very easy. Alright, we're gonna grab rice, this much, and we're gonna grab salmon. And we're gonna put the rice on the top of the salmon, just like this. And gently. That's it. This is how nigiri looks like. Very easy. Will be like this. This is nigiri with the smoked salmon. So we got Philadelphia rolls. And we also got smoked salmon nigiri. So, time to eat. Let's eat. Smoked salmon cream cheese is one of my favorite. You know, sushi, I can eat sushi every day. Sushi is the best food in the world for me. So I can eat it every day. We're gonna try it without the sauce first. Cheese and smoked salmon, and you also can taste the sweetness of the seaweed. So good. And also avocados in it. The creaminess of cream cheese, buttery of avocado, perfectly match. Really good. All right, I usually eat it with wasabi. I can't eat sushi without wasabi, but I taste it without anything else. But my favorite, sushi with wasabi and a little bit soy sauce, and I like ginger too. Put ginger on the top. Cheers. So good, so good. All right, this time we're gonna try nigiri. Nigiri is just rice and smoked salmon. Also simple, and sometimes the simple is the best. Cheers. The smoky of the salmon is the best. That's why I like smoked salmon. I like smoky flavor. And also, it has salt in the salmon, in the smoked salmon. It's not salty like a bacon, but it's perfectly salt. Oh, so good, so good. If you haven't tried smoked salmon yet, try it. You're gonna love it. Alright guys, for today's video, that'll be all. And we'll see you in another video. If you enjoy, you can give me a thumbs up. Thank you.